Multiply 30 by 0.15 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 5. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 3 is 15. The first partial product is 150. Now use the tens digit, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 3 is 3. The second partial product is 300. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the hundreds column, 1 plus 3 is 4. The product of the whole numbers is 450. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 450 becomes 4.50. That is simply 4.5. So 30 times 0.15 is 4.5.